How to increase music time on Snapchat. Hey there, Snapchat fans. Are you looking to extend the music in your snaps beyond the default time? You've come to the right place. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to increase the music duration in your snaps quickly and easily. Let's dive in. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone and head to the camera screen, just like you're about to record a regular snap. Tap the music note icon on the right side of your screen. This will bring up the music library. Scroll through or search for the perfect song and tap on it to add it to your snap. Now, here's where the magic happens. By default, Snapchat sets the music to play for the length of your snap, usually 10 seconds. But if you want to increase the duration, switch from a photo snap to a video snap. Hold the record button, and Snapchat will allow you to record up to 60 seconds. Pro tip: record multiple snaps for longer music playback. Once your video is recorded, you can drag the music timeline at the bottom to choose the exact part of the song you want to feature. Adjust it until it fits perfectly with your snap. Now, review your snap to ensure the music syncs just the way you like. If it's good to go, add your captions, stickers, or filters, and share it with your friends or on your story. And that's it. Now you know how to increase the music time on Snapchat and make your snaps even more creative and fun. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more quick tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.